때는 1950년대 미국 코네티컷 상위 1%의 금수저들만이 거주할 수 있다는 어느 부촌가.
Mother, can I sleep over at Hutch's tonight?
Not tonight, David. Your father and I are going out.
주인공 캐서린은 사랑하는 두 아이를 케어하고 남편을 내조하는 전형적인 백인 상류층의 삶을 살아가고 있었고,
Sybil, did Mr. Whitaker call while I was...
No, not since you've been gone.
Well, hello, stranger. You in about 3 hours' time?
You are. Just left the caterers and I had to imagine with the table setting I showed you. You like?
그녀의 절친 에리너와 함께 며칠 앞으로 다가온 파티 준비로 여념이 없었는데요.
7:15. Where on earth is your father? You know, it's nearly 20 after, Mr.
저녁 약속 시간이 코앞으로 다가왔음에도 좀처럼 남편으로부터 연락이 없어 답답해하던 그때
Whitaker residence.
Who is it?
The police department.
Hello?
Frank Whitaker.
Yes?
Kathy? It was all just a big mix-up, the whole thing. But you have to come and get me. They won't let me leave on my own.
Is there anything I can do, Mrs. Whitaker?
Just keep an eye on the children, please. I don't think I'll be very long.
회사 일로 늦어지는 거라 생각했던 남편이 난데없이 경찰서에 구금되어 있다는 연락을 받게 되죠.
This is your copy, ma'am, and your receipt.
I tell you one thing. Sniveling junior cop whole charade in the first place. But they wouldn't listen to me.
There were drinks after work?
Christ, I had one lousy cocktail. Should I be arrested for that too?
Oh, of course not.
The whole thing has just put me in a foul state.
He's fine. Oh, the cars. Frank says it was the bumper that got hit. I can't tell the difference. I'm just sorry we had to miss it.
She was fine.
It's all a dreadful bore, what with Mona Lauder.
Kathy, I'm sorry.
Darling, you've nothing to be sorry for. It's all just a silly, wretched mistake.
I'm so tired.
남편에게 정확히 어떤 일이 일어났었는지 캐묻고 싶은 마음도 없진 않았지만 늘 일에 치여 바쁘게 살아가고 있고 약간의 범칙금 이외에 별다른 이슈 없이 마무리가 된 상황. 캐시는 안도의 한숨을 내쉴 수 있었고.
I'm just glad you're feeling better, dear.
Thank you, darling.
Mrs. Whitaker, this is Mrs. Leacock. She says she had an appointment with you.
Goodbye, darling.
Goodbye, dear.
Your husband's a very charming man.
Now, please, won't you come in? Make yourselves at home.
아침부터 기자들이 들이닥친 이유는 마그네틱을 최고의 가전회사로 만든 1등 공신이 부사장 프랭크뿐만 아니라 아르케시의 완벽한 내조 덕분이라는 점을 조명하기 위해서였는데요.
What is it, dear?
I just saw someone walking through our yard. What on earth?
Excuse me. May I help you? Who are you?
My name is Raymond Deegan. Otis Deegan's son. I was just taking over some...
You're Otis' son. How is your father? I know he was in the hospital.
Yes, well, my father's passed away, I'm afraid.
Oh, I had no idea. Please, accept our deepest condolences. Wonderful, dedicated man.
Thank you.
Mrs. Whitaker, caterer's on the line.
Oh, thank you.
우리 집 정원을 맡아주던 오티스 씨가 갑작스런 병환으로 인해 유명을 달리하게 되었다는 이야기. 아버지에 이어 그분의 아들 레이먼드가 새롭게 정원을 관리하게 될 거라는 의미였고.
Looks like New York just shaved a week off.
And, could you get my wife on the phone?
Sir, Mrs. Whitaker is on line 1.
Oh, Frank. I'm sorry. You wouldn't overwork yourself, especially after... I will. See you then. I'm terribly sorry about all the interruptions.
Just one more at the fireplace.
대기업의 부사장이라는 남들이 부러움하지 않는 자리에 오른 프랭크였지만 하루가 멀다 하고 계속되는 미팅과 야근, 어느새 번아웃 직전의 심각한 상태였는데요.
Where you headed, Tiger?
David, that is the third time I've told you to turn off.
And don't forget to wash your teeth.
문제는 편안한 휴식을 안겨주는 집이 아닌 어두컴컴한 조명 아래 자신의 정체성을 감출 수 있는 아웃사이더들의 성지라고 불리우는 영화관을 찾았다는 점. 다정해 보이는 두 사내를 쫓다 보니 어느덧 100% 남자 손님들로만 가득 차 있는 어느 은밀한 술집에 닿아 있었죠.
Yes, sir. What can I get you this evening?
Just a scotch.
Here you are, sir. One more of the same.
Behind every great man, there resides a great lady. Kathleen Whitaker proves that it does. A woman as devoted to her family as she is kind.
Let me see that woman thinking.
Come on. Let's go inside before Joe McCarthy comes driving.
Oh,
I love that thing.
This really isn't your day.
Would anyone like another daiquiri?
Oh no, one's my limit.
All right, girls, no more beating around the bush. Nance.
Oh, I can't.
Oh, come on, can't be that bad.
He insists on once a week.
You're lucky. Ron's more like 2 or 3. That's nothing. Girlfriend of mine, every night of the week. Can you imagine? Lovely, Kathleen. Thank you. I'll call you tomorrow.
All right, bye-bye.
나를 제외한 모두가 나름 규칙적인 부부관계를 가지고 있었던 것. 나 혼자만 비정상적인 삶을 살아가고 있다는 걸 알아버린 그때
Could this possibly
You found it.
found it hanging off one of the birches out back? I had a feeling it might be yours.
Now, who else could have been so absent-minded?
No, it's the color. Just seemed right.
Everything looks wonderful, by the way.
I think we got everything pretty much under control.
Can't have been easy, taking over for your father so quickly.
Well, between Pop's business, shop, and taking care of my little girl, doesn't leave much time for
I
reflecting.
didn't know you had children. How old is Sarah?
11.
Child, you and your wife must be very proud.
Mrs. Deegan, my wife, passed away when Sarah was about 5. You know, I got a picture of her somewhere.
눈에 넣어도 아프지 않을 세라라는 딸을 키우고 있고 시내에서 정원 관련된 자그마한 가게도 운영하고 있다는 짧게나마 처음으로 서로에 대해 알아가는 시간을 가질 수 있었고
If that's your father. Hello? Frank, you haven't left yet? Oh, no, not again.
All right.
He isn't coming home again?
Sybil, wrap up Mr. Whitaker's plate. Run down to the office and take it to him myself. I'm just dropping something off for my husband.
늦은 시간까지 경무에 시달리는 남편을 위한 서프라이즈를 계획하게 되는데요.
Frank?
Oh, Frank. Frank?
남편이 밥 먹듯 매일같이 야근을 하고 나와의 잠자리를 거부하는 진짜 이유와 마주할 수 있었죠.
Mr. Maynard left an estimate for the roof, $1,200 something.
Kathy, I don't. You see, a long time ago, I had problems. I just figured that was. I never imagined.
You had problems?
Yes.
You never spoke to anyone? A doctor?
No.
No one? I don't understand.
Neither do I.
지금이야 이성이 아닌 동성을 사랑한다는 게 개인의 정체성이고 취향이라고 존중받을 수는 있지만 문제는 이 영화가 1950년대를 시대적 배경으로 하고 있다는 점, 일종의 범죄 행위이자 반드시 치료를 해야만 하는 정신질환의 일종으로 모두가 바라보고 있었고
Mr. and Mrs. Whitaker, this is Dr. Bo.
How do you do? Hello. Well, I suppose we may as well get started.
조금의 망설임도 없이 정신과 전문의를 찾게 되는데요.
What does it comprise of?
Treatment's usually comprised of psychiatric.
Or just talking?
Yes, though some patients afford additional, more behavioral,
Behavioral.
electroshock aversion therapy, hormonal rebalancing procedure. I suggest you take some time. Think over the various options we've discussed.
I want to begin treatment. I can't let this thing destroy my life, my family's life. It's a sickness because it makes me feel despicable. I promise you, Dr. Bowman, I'm going to beat this thing. I'm going to break it.
그나마 다행인 점은 사태의 심각성을 인지하고 적극적인 치료를 받겠다는 프랭크의 의지가 보통이 아니었다는 거죠.
And he seems a very decent man, Dr. Bowman, don't you think, Frank?
I don't know, Kathy.
You must have liked him enough to want to see him again. Well, I'm sure there are numerous doctors.
Look, I just want to get the f***ing thing over with. Can you understand that?
I'm sorry, Kathy. I'm so sorry.
만약 내가 동성에게 끌린다는 걸 다른 이들이 알게 된다면 지금까지 쌓아온 명성이 무너지는 것은 물론이고 최대 종신형까지 받을 수 있는 너무나도 심각한 상황이지만 문제는 다른 범죄와는 다르게 프랭크 스스로의 의지가 전혀 개입되지 않았다는 점, 왜 내가 이러한 처지에 놓이게 되었는지 받아들이는 것조차 쉽지 않았고
Thanks again, Al. You sure that's all I can give you? Oh, don't forget the art show Saturday. Oh, I'm sorry to say, Mona Lauder will. Turns out her uncle's in town. Hotshot art dealer from New York. See you Saturday, and bring Frank.
그럼에도 나만을 바라보는 사랑하는 가족들을 지켜내야 한다는 일념 아래 프랭크는 일과 치료 두 가지 모두에서 나름의 최선을 다하고 있었는데요.
Frank?
Hmm?
Did you see him?
Yeah.
He didn't say a word. So how did it go with Bowman? Did you feel
It was fine.
And there's nothing else you'd care to share with your adoring wife?
Kathleen, what I discussed with this doctor, it's private, all right? That's part of it.
Oh, I understand.
하지만 치료가 계속될수록 점점 더 예민함을 드러내는 낯선 모습. 결국 전시회 이야기는 꺼내보지도 못했죠.
Eleanor, darling, I'm so sorry I'm late. Hello, Mona.
I want to introduce you to my awkwardly successful Gotham art dealer, dear little friend, Kathleen Whitaker.
Charmed.
I do hope you enjoy your stay.
겉으로는 늘 환하게 웃고 있지만 평상시 남 뒷담화를 밥 먹듯 하는 모나의 등장, 때마침 리코크 부인의 등장으로 간신히 자리를 피할 수 있었고.
Would you excuse me just a moment?
Oh, certainly do.
Raymond, is this your daughter?
Yep, this is my Sarah. What do you say you go out and see if they'd like to play for a while? For Daddy? Atta girl.
Well, how on earth did you find out about this show?
Well, I do read the papers.
Well, no, of course you do. It's a coincidence. Because, you know, I'm not prejudiced. My husband and I have always believed in equal rights and support the NAACP.
Well, thank you.
Oh, not at all.
백인들만이 향유하는 문화라고 생각했었던 전시회에 나타난 정원관리사 레이먼드, 캐서린 스스로 놀라움을 감출 수 없었는데요.
So what's your opinion on modern art?
It's hard to put into words, really. Like this mirror.
Miro.
I don't know why, but I just, the feeling it gives. I know that sounds terribly vague.
No, something I've always wondered about modern art.
문제는 나보다 레이먼드가 미술에 대한 조예가 더 깊었다는 사실. 이렇듯 계속해서 감탄이 끊이지 않던 그때.
Would you excuse me a moment?
Oh, certainly.
Kathleen, who on earth is that man? You have this whole place in a clamor.
He's Raymond Deegan, Otis Deegan's son.
Your gardener? Certainly seem on familiar terms.
No, he happens to have some very interesting views on Miro.
상류층 백인 여성이 흑인 남성과 공공장소에서 대화를 나눈 것 자체가 문제가 될 수 있다는 엘리너와 이제는 시대가 달라졌다며 전혀 개의치 않는다는 듯한 의외의 반응.
Not to say that I'm against integrate, but I still say what happened in Little Rock have happened here at Hartford.
이 일대가 성공한 백인들 위주의 집단 거주지인 만큼 보이지 않는 선을 여전히 유지해야 한다는 여론이 대세가 되어 있었는데요.
Excuse me, please.
Oh, by golly, there she is now.
Stan, I hope Eleanor isn't listening.
So what if Frank is the luckiest guy in town?
You should see her without her face on.
Frank? Darling, don't you think you've already had it?
No.
Kathy? Is everything all right?
Why? What do you mean?
Frank, I've never seen him so soused.
Hardly. He's under tremendous strain.
You'd tell me if there was anything more.
Of course.
차마 절친에게도 이들 부부가 겪는 문제를 털어놓을 순 없었죠.
Well, if I do say so myself, it was a lovely party. I just wish it didn't have to turn ugly in front of our friends.
Jesus. Happening? I can't even. God, don't.
What?
Dick Dawson lending his services every once in a while. I mean, you wouldn't mind that so much, would you? Good-looking guy like Dick. Maybe even Stan would pitch in.
You're the only man that I've ever wanted. You're all meant to me. You're all man. It's all right. I'm all right. But just the littlest bit. You could get me some ice here.
모두가 부러움하지 않는 미모의 아내를 가졌음에도 남자 구실을 할 수 없는 자괴감은 프랭크 스스로를 한없이 작아지게 만들기 시작. 오히려 나만을 바라보는 아내에게 손찌검을 저지르는 방어 기제로서의 폭력을 행사하는 지경이 되어버렸고.
It's cute your hair that way.
Oh, yeah.
Whoopsie. What happened to your head?
Oh, nothing. I hit the door.
Kathy,
What?
did something happen between you and Frank? Kathy, I'm your best friend.
Nothing happened. Nothing at all.
Kathy.
Honor.
Kathy, I'm your dearest and closest friend in the world. You call me day or night.
당시 남편으로부터 손찌검을 당한다는 건 남자의 잘못이 아닌 100% 여성의 잘못으로 인식되는 상황이었던 만큼 차마 절친에게조차 억울한 속내를 털어놓을 수는 없었는데요.
Mrs. Whitaker? Is there anything I can do? You sure?
It's a difficult time with my husband.
It happens with married people.
Please forgive me.
Mrs. Whitaker, listen. I have to pick up some shrubs from a farmhouse just out of town. Why don't you come along for the ride? Some fresh air, change of scenery. Might help you take your mind off things.
Oh, no. Thank you, Raymond, for offering.
Mrs. Whitaker?
Yes, Sybil?
Mrs. Barker on the phone.
I have to get back. Oh, not at all. You'd like to switch for Thursday? No, I'm glad I could be of help. received a call and suddenly everything's changed.
때마침 걸려온 일방적인 일정 변경. 아무런 근심 없이 레이먼드를 따라 나설 수 있었죠.
Oh, it's lovely.
A mammalus. Fairly rare in these parts.
You were right. What a perfectly lovely spot. Is that a path?
I think so.
Let's have a peek.
Sometimes it's the people outside our world we confide in best.
But once you do share with someone, they're no longer really outside, are they?
Did he cause that?
He didn't mean to strike me.
I'm so sorry.
No, heaven knows we all have our troubles. I'm sure you yourself.
What?
Ever since running into you at the exhibition, wondering what it must be like, the only one in the room, how that might possibly feel.
I suppose you sort of grow accustomed to it almost. Only what every father wants for his child. Opportunities growing up I never had. I tell you something, if you're really interested.
캐서린이 겪는 가족 문제에 이어 레이먼드가 마주해야만 하는 차별적인 시선까지 이야기의 화수분이 본격적으로 터지기 시작.
Thank you very much.
Oh, my God. Let me help you with that, ma'am. Thanks.
더 깊이 있는 이야기를 나누기 위해 자리를 옮길 수밖에 없었는데요. 문제는 이 식당이 오픈한 이후에 백인 손님은 캐서린이 처음이었다는 사실. 불편한 시선을 피할 수 없었고
Well, I hope you're finding this very amusing.
What do you mean? This is a very welcoming place. How you doing, Gus? Here's to being the only one.
내가 처한 상황을 10분 이해하고 자연과 미술을 사랑하는 매력적인 남자가 내 앞에서 나만을 바라보고 있는 상황. 그동안 상상조차 할 수 없었던 용기를 내보기로 하는데요.
Ask me to dance.
남편이 동성을 사랑하는 질병에 걸렸고 손찌검까지 당하는 비참한 인생을 살아가고 있지만 혹여나 이러한 모든 것들이 아내가 잘못해서라는 손가락질을 당하지 않을까라는 불안함, 잠시나마 레이먼드를 통해 모두 날려보낼 수 있었죠.
Although I promised Janice that I wouldn't be late. Sybil, I've been meaning to ask, what's the name of that church group?
You mean at Ebenezer, the Baptist school? Or was it South Green Baptist Drive, the Ladies Auxiliary?
Oh, I didn't know there was more than one. I just have so much in the attic that I've been meaning for a civic organization that could use a donation.
안 그래도 흑인 인권 보호에 우호적인 태도를 가지고 있었지만 레이먼드와의 시간을 통해 백인들이 흑인들에 대해 엄청난 선입견을 지니고 있다는 걸 깨닫게 된 캐서린. 단순한 지지 차원의 입장을 넘어 적극적인 행동으로 옮길 준비를 서두르게 되고 가까스로 그리 늦지 않게 딸아이의 공연에 닿을 수 있었는데요.
Mother!
So where are the other little girls from your class?
Over there.
마치 내가 살인이라도 저지른 범죄자가 된 것 같은 눈빛, 무언가 단단히 잘못되어 가고 있음을 느낄 수 있었고
Hello?
Kathy, I've been trying you all day.
No, what happened?
There's been talk, vicious talk.
Oh, for heaven's sake, what now?
내가 흑인 남성과 그렇고 그런 짓을 저지르는 여자로 이미 낙인이 찍혀 있었던 것, 절대 그런 사이가 아니라며 억울함을 토로하던 그때
Frank, what on earth? Eleanor, can I call you back? Frank just walked in. Frank?
Tell me one goddamn thing.
What?
Is it true, what they've been saying?
Frank, I can't believe.
Even in the slightest. Swear to God, Kathleen.
Frank, I am sorry to hear such nonsense.
This is the whole town's talk. Christ, Kathleen, do you even have the slightest idea? Don't you realize the effect this could have on me? Trying to build for you and the children and for the company?
Entirely a figment of that woman's hateful imagination. Yes, I have spoken to Raymond Deegan on occasion. He brought his little girl to Eleanor's art show, but the idea of a white woman speaking to a colored man...
Oh, please, just save me the...
know what that woman is capable of!
I've already given him notice, and we won't be seeing that man again.
Fine.
Is that why you came home? Because of what Dick said? Did something happen at work? Frank?
I guess you could call it some sort of early Christmas bonus.
What do you mean?
A month of rest and relaxation. Can you imagine? During the busiest season of the year.
하늘 아래 완벽한 비밀이라는 건 애초에 존재하지 않는 걸까? 마치 남편의 정체성에 대해 알고 있다는 듯한 인사조치였지만 오히려 전화위복의 기회일지 모른다며 애써 남편을 달랠 수밖에 없었고
Say, Mr. Deegan, there's a lady on the phone for you.
한마디 언질도 없이 해고할 수밖에 없었던 상황을 해명할 필요가 있었는데요.
Thank you for meeting me. I realize you have a busy schedule.
Worked out fine. I was glad you called. Are you sure everything's all right?
Is there something I can do for you folks?
Can we leave here?
Of course.
아니나 다를까 세상은 여전히 색안경을 쓰고 이들을 바라보고 있었죠.
I wanted to see you in person, Raymond. I can't.
Can't what?
It isn't plausible for me to be friends with you. You've been so very kind to me and foolish in return. Thank you.
Thinking that one person could reach out to another, take an interest in another, and maybe for one fleeting instant manage to see beyond the surface.
Do you think we ever really do see beyond those things? The surface of things?
Just beyond the fall of grace. Behold that ever-shining place. Yes, I do. I don't really have a choice.
I wish I could. Good luck to you, Raymond.
Mrs. Whitaker.
You boy! Hands off!
Raymond, please don't. You're so beautiful.
인종의 차이를 넘어서는 깊은 유대감을 나누고 있었다는 건 레이몬드만의 착각이었던 걸까? 상류층 백인 여성만의 특권을 절대로 포기할 수 없다는 듯 캐서린으로부터 손절을 당하게 되고
Bermuda, Acapulco, Rio.
Take your pick. It's your choice.
I don't know. Stan is always raving about Miami.
Elle says it's just darling. Everything's pink.
Oh, really?
우리를 향한 불미스런 소문들을 날려버림과 동시에 이전에 화목했던 가족의 모습으로 돌아갈 기회라고 판단했는지 마이애미에서의 새해맞이 휴가를 계획.
I must say, you look extremely...
Well, it's a good thing since I can hardly breathe in it.
You like my dress?
Why, yes, with a ravishing girl to go with it.
어딘지 모르게 비장한 각오까지 느껴지고 있었는데요.
You have a lovely family.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the
Thank you.
time has come for the countdown into the new year. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year, darling.
문제는 기대와 의욕이 지나치게 앞서면 그에 따른 실망도 곡절로 커질 가능성도 배제할 수 없었다는 점.
That does it. I do believe it's time for my Miss Mitchell. Oh, heavens. I think I left it upstairs. So silly.
You want me to go get it?
Yeah, I have to get a paper anyway.
I think it's right there on the nightstand.
늘 웃음과 즐거움으로 가득 찰 거라 의심치 않은 휴가지에는 전혀 예상치 못한 복병이 기다리고 있었죠.
Hey, Hutch, look. What? Look who's coming. It's Daddy's girl. Where do you think you're going? Home. Home to see your daddy? Yeah, and his white girlfriend. Hey, where are you going? Hey, Daddy's girl, over here.
Yeah, she made a wrong turn, all right, just like her dad.
이미 100년 전 흑인 노예제도가 폐지되었지만 여전히 백인과 흑인은 같은 공간을 이용할 수 없고 잠재의식 중에 백인이 흑인보다 훨씬 우월하다는 선민의식, 세라에게 학교폭력을 행사한 아이들이 퇴학을 당하는 것으로 마지못해 일단락이 될 수 있었고
Throwing a rock at a girl's head.
Little girl at school?
No, she was in.
Sybil, is this true?
Yes, ma'am. I'm afraid it is.
What on earth has gotten into this town?
비록 레이먼드와 관계를 더 이상 이어갈 수는 없었지만 흑인들이 당하는 차별에 대한 이야기를 접할 때면 자연스레 레이먼드와의 추억들이 되살아나기 시작 자신이 할 수 있는 최선을 다해가며 흑인 인권 강화를 위해 부단히도 애를 쓰고 있었는데요.
Father's home.
Frank, what happened to the match?
Oh, my shoulder. It's.
You didn't say anything.
마이애미에서의 행복했던 모습들은 온데간데 없이 이전에 무력했던 모습으로 돌아가 있었던 것, 무언가 잘못되어 가고 있음을 느낄 수 있었죠.
Frank, what's the matter? David, Janice, go upstairs to your rooms. Now!
Something's happened.
What?
I've fallen in love with someone who wants to be with me. I never knew what that, but I know that sounds so cruel, but God, Kelly, I tried to make it go away. I can't. I can't.
I assume then you'll be wanting a divorce.
Kathy.
Eleanor, it's me, Kathy. Why I couldn't tell you anything.
In a million years, I couldn't.
That's what's been hardest of all. The endless secrecy. Our entire lives just shut in the dark.
Are there savings?
None to speak of.
If there's anything you need, anything at all,
Oh.
we're here, all right?
Thank you, Elle. You know, it's funny. This whole time, the only person I was able to talk to about any of this was Raymond Deegan. Not in the way that Mona intended, nothing like that. We would just talk, and somehow it made me feel alive somewhere. Eleanor, I know it's useless and mad, but I think of him. I do. What he's doing, what he's thinking.
So full of surprises, I'm speechless.
What do you mean?
Eleanor, nothing happened between us. I told you.
It's none of my business, but you certainly make it sound as if something had.
Mrs. Whitaker, there's something I've been wanting to tell you. Something I believe you surely want to know.
Well, what is it?
It's about the little colored girl, ma'am. The one that got hit.
Yes.
I'm sorry, ma'am. It was Mr. Deegan's little girl.
What?
Oh, how in God's name could you not have told me?
I didn't want to make things any worse. Are you going there now?
Who on earth? Yes.
Raymond, I just heard. How is Sarah?
We're fine. Thank you.
참으로 오랜만에 레이먼드와의 재회가 가져다주는 기쁨도 잠시 혹여나 다른 사람들이 이들을 지켜볼까 뒤뜰로 향할 수밖에 없었죠.
Raymond, what she must have been through. What's being done to the boys?
Nothing. I won't put her through that again. Not now. Not with rocks coming through the windows every night. Anyway, we'll be out of here soon enough once and for all.
You moving?
Yeah.
Where to?
I have a brother in Baltimore. Says he can find me work there. So we're packing up the house. 2 weeks Friday, we'll be on a 4:30 train.
What about your business?
Well, the business is through. Nobody's gonna hire me. Yeah, things are pretty well finished for me here. I never lived anywhere other than Hartford.
Perhaps after you're settled, perhaps I could come for a visit. You see, well, it seems as if I'm to be single again.
Oh, Mrs. Whitaker.
Please call me Kathy.
Kathy.
No one would know us there.
I'm just not sure that would be a wise idea. What matters now? What has to matter the most is what's right for Sarah. I've learned my lesson about mixing in other worlds. I've seen the sparks fly, all kinds. Have a proud life, a splendid life. Will you do that?
Hello.
Kathy, did I wake you?
No, I was awake.
How are they, by the way?
Fine. Just fine. They still ask when you'll be coming home.
Got a call from Dick. He said that everything was set. Thursday was for you, 3 o'clock. I thought you had carpool Thursday, so I said I would check.
I never could remember my carpool days. Wednesdays and Fridays, as long as I can.
Same old absent mind.
All right.
So I'll see you on Thursday then.
영원히 내 곁을 지켜줄 것만 같았던 프랭크도 우리 가족을 떠났고 묵묵히 정원을 관리해주던 레이먼드도 다른 이로 바뀌어버린 단 2주 만에 제법 많은 것들이 달라져 있었고.
Oh, Sybil, you don't need to do that.
It's Friday. Not to keep things up. No reason.
Thank you.
어느덧 일전에 레이먼드가 말했었던 볼티모어에서의 새로운 출발을 하게 되는 날이라는 걸 뒤늦게 알 수 있었는데요.
I shouldn't be long, Sybil.
All right, Mrs. Whitaker.
Why are we turning in here?
I'll be right back.
Southbound train to New York and Washington. Now depart.
눈이 부시게 아름다운 미장센 뒤에 일상 밑바닥에 흐르는 금기된 욕망과 사회적 공포를 끄집어내는 데에 천부적인 재능을 지닌 토드 헤인즈 감독 작품. 나는 2002년의 영화를 연출하는 게 아닌 1957년에 만들어진 영화를 2002년에 발굴한 것처럼 보이길 원했다는 인터뷰처럼 1950년대의 멜로 영화를 완벽하게 재해서 마치 어머니 세대의 명품 가방을 옷장 구석에서 우연히 발견한 것 같은 희열을 관객에게 선사하고 있었는데요. 게다가 영혼의 허기가 부른 숙명적 외도에 빠질 수밖에 없는 여인의 내면을 완벽하게 그려낸 줄리안 무어의 명령기가 더해져 베니스 영화제 여우주연상을 거머쥔 명작. 여러분들은 어떠셨나요?